This is going to be a video on my General Electric Hotpoint 8400 BTU window wall air conditioner. Grill is in pretty good condition. It is missing the control door, although kind of like it better without it. Adjustable louvers. It's got the spine fin coils. The info on it from 1984. It's got 9.4 EER, so it's pretty efficient. And I'm not surprised by the efficiency because of the size of this thing. There is the oil cooler on the rotary compressor. There's very bad rust damage to this unit inside. But this is just about as big as my 14,000 BTU 87 Quiet Master, the Friedrich, that I use in my living room. It's just a little bit shorter lengthwise, but it might even be a little taller. So it's pretty big for an 8400 BTU, especially considering that I'm comparing it to a 14K Friedrich that's big for its size. So it's very big, and it weighs about 130 pounds. So it was real fun moving it everywhere. But anyway, this thing was disgusting when I got it. If you want to see before and after pictures, that's all on my Flickr. And we're going to turn it on for you on this just beautiful, cloudy, humid day. It's about 80 degrees right now. And it's got the energy saver switch, which oddly enough controls the fan on the fan only mode as well. So if I turn the thermostat all the way down, have it on save energy, fan doesn't come on fan mode. Let's see if you can hear the startup the fan makes, because it's a pretty nice startup sound. Turn it to low. Very quiet on low. Medium. Go to low cool. Very quiet compressor. Already cold. Still getting colder, but already getting cold there. Compressor is nice and quiet. Pushing out some heat on the back. A little bit of a rattle. Anyway, that's it. It's a 1984 General Electric Hotpoint 8400 BTU. I'm not sure what this model is called. I don't think Hotpoint ever made a name for this model, but the General Electric version is the Quiet Air. Alright, hope you all enjoyed the video, and see you next time.